Hello and welcome back to 605 Sports Cards. Today we're going to do a little comparison of the value packs that you'll probably be seeing a lot more of on the shelves. And if you happen to find the blasters, kind of comparison, these are $35 usually, and these are $15 for 12 cards in each. So we got $30 here, 35, so a little more for the blaster still, but pretty close comparison to what you're going to get. Previous years, the value packs have been pretty bust. I mean, obviously you hit one of the short prints, doing pretty good. The teal velocities can be all right, but you're getting very few rookies and inserts in here compared to what you're getting base cards. So we're gonna open up two of these, do a little comparison. So if you do see these on a shelf and you're thinking about grabbing a couple, just know what to expect. You can hit downtowns and uptowns in these. Again, very tough to do. And the teal velocities are kind of what you're after. Looks like we might have one in this one. So we might have something pretty good here. So you're going to get, usually 10 of these are just base cards. So you're really, the back two are kind of what you're after. So 10 vet base. And we got a rookie on the back here, Will Shipley. We have rated rookie, teal velocity. Hopefully McConkey. So yeah, there's a pretty good one for this product. And that's really what you're after, is pretty much those last two cards are about the only thing that are going to have any value in there. So short, sweet one. 12 cards, 10 of them. Not going to produce much. But if you have kids or something and you know want 15 bucks, a little cheaper than going to the blaster if they want something to open, they can pull some of the players that they like. But still over $1 a card in these. And this one's just going to be an insert. Trevor Lawrence to Christian Kirk here, and a Johnny Wilson. So that is what you're getting out of two of those. Nothing too exciting. McConkey's nice. Now the blasters, which I think overall is your best value out of retail. I've not opened up any megas, but from what I've seen, 65, 70 bucks. I think I'd rather open up this. But between two of those and the box, the blaster box, you are getting the same amount of cards. So in that one, you got, 4 cards that you're after. I feel like pretty much every pack of these, you get a rookie or something in. So you will get more rookies out of it. More inserts. Herbert, and this is Light It Up or whatever it is, of a Max Crosby. And a Ricky Romudunze. So right there, not too bad for one pack. And you'll have the pinks in here as well, so you do get a little more color. And it's a rated rookie. Knew it wasn't going to be too good. You can see no helmet on. And another rookie of Drake May. So two nice rookies so far. Hamilton, Jabril Peppers, another rated rookie, a Blake Corum, and Audric Estime. So even one blaster box, you're getting just a lot more color, a lot more rookies. You're going to get the pinks, you're probably going to get a silver, Devin Leary, and a Jaden Daniels. So really, overall, this blaster box, pretty good. The pinks to kind of hit. Again, when it comes to retail, the pinks aren't my favorite. I much prefer, what are the other ones? The Walmart variation. But I have a hard time finding that stuff. So nice Marshawn Lloyd pink and Terrion Arnold. So we haven't done too bad, really, on the pinks. And our final one here, Garrett Wilson, not going to be a rookie. CJ Mosley. and Eric Hall. So probably last pack was the worst one out of there, but so what, those three, a Shipley, a Wilson, and the best tutties. I mean, the McConkey's nice, but then out of one blaster, I mean, that's all your rookies out of there. Much better. I guess that one's not a rookie, but nice Marshawn Lloyd, Daniels, O'Leary pink, Corum pink, and May and an Odunze. So pretty good for blaster. I did open up just kind of off camera on my own a couple of the Prism hanger boxes and ended up doing pretty good in them. So I got two of them. They're just on shelves and they've been around for a little bit, so I just wanted something to kind of open the other day. Did hit a silver Penix, the green Emergent Harrison. This is just out of two of them. A nice Rome Odunze silver, and we did hit a gold wave Jonathan Taylor, 4 out of 10. So those are two really good of the hanger boxes. But just something we opened up off camera. Figured I'd share the hits so you can see kind of what's been coming out of stuff. The gold, I mean, those are, I think I've only bought 5 of those, so to have a gold out of, you know, 5 of those since they came out, not too bad. And they were like 21 bucks at Target, and I think I spent 25 at Walmart on them, so $21 each, so 40 bucks, and that's what came out of it, 45 after taxes. I think we did pretty good, especially with the two nice silvers, and obviously the gold wave is very cool cards. Kind of what you're after, those numbered cards, the purples and the golds in there. So those were good. And now you got to look at why I kind of avoid the hanger or the value packs. Not really hanger packs, the value packs, just because you are out of those 12 cards and get 10 base cards compared to, you know, a stack out of one blaster of what you get for rookies in a blaster box. So if you do see them, I mean, you can still hit big out of them. Just the expectations, you're probably not going to hit anything too great out of those value packs. So blasters are the way I think to go. There'll be, if I see them on shelves, I'll definitely be grabbing some more blasters. But that'll do it for this video. If you start ripping stuff, good luck, and we'll catch you guys on the next one. Thanks for watching.